So it may look, even though Brandon's kind of blocking things right now, that we're going to do a wine tasting test, but you'd be mistaken. We're actually going to do beer and bars. Which beers pair best with which energy bars, so you know exactly what to take on your ride. Yeah. All right. Let's get on topic, guys. Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you are watching another exciting episode of Toolbox Topic. More importantly, it's the Christmas episode. Hey! Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
And who would have thunk? We got Wyatt and Brandon on the same show. And don't forget me, it's Christmas Miracle. Hey, Brandon.
Hi.
I see you got some beer.
Yeah.
You gonna have a drink with me? You gonna get drunk? You gonna touch me today, Brandon?
I don't know.
Come on now. All right, before we scare Brandon off too quick, and for you new viewers, so this is episode actually number 49 for the year, which means we've been amazingly blessed to be able to do 49 episodes. We've only missed 3 because of, vacations, different things. Yeah. So I'm really excited about that, and it is Christmas, so we want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas who sees this video, hopefully on Christmas Day, and we want to thank you most of all for the support and everything like that, because as of right now, we're sitting at 150 subscribers. So I'm really excited about that. We're well over 10,000 views, and the channel keeps growing. So, and I want to thank Wyatt and Brandon,
Hey, man.
check Bicycle Stores of West Phoenix, because every week, dude, it's been more than a year Brandon and I have been doing this, but every week they've opened up the doors here, and it's just been amazing. So I can't thank them enough for their support as well.
We're finally going to party.
Right. Yeah. Gonna party like it's 1999, ain't we, Brandon? I got a banana hammock.
I remember 1999.
You want to see it? I did too.
I know. I was born.
So I
remember.
All right. Enough of Mr. Finger. The pressure will come later for Brandon.
Kind of pressure.
You're right. Yeah, what kind of pressure? I'm gonna get my coffee because I'm not drinking the beers today. And I did drink. Oh, I am. I'll have. I gotta drive, dude. I gotta drive to the camera shop, so I really can't. There'll be beer on my breath. So
Just put it on autopilot. Man.
just gotta put it on autopilot, dude. And 1, I don't have a Tesla, and 2, I wouldn't trust it if I did. That's a different video for another day. All right, so Brandon, tell us what we got going on here. This was kind of Brandon's idea, and I really like this idea. So what do we have?
So some years ago, I read an article.
Okay.
And the article said that in endurance racing, 1 beer can enhance performance slightly. 2 beers, however, will tank you.
Yeah.
So that being said, if you're going to have that 1 beer endurance racing, what's going to go with it? Now, maybe this is a terrible idea. I don't know.
It could be, but
This could be absolutely horrible, but we're going to find out.
We'll let you know after next Friday night. Why? As we're going bike packing, we'll take some beers.
well,
We have already talked about this.
maybe more than necessary.
I'm doing it. Choose my limit.
But the key to this article was 1 beer can enhance slightly, 2 beers will bring you down fast.
Oh yeah.
So that being said, I tried to pair up some beers that would kind of go with certain bars
Okay.
and things that we have here. So we'll just take a little sip and we'll see if this sucks or this is actually something that will get you excited about having a beer during
I need
your
to get
race.
my glasses, guys. Right? I don't know why I didn't bring them over here because my readers.
I'm gonna end up on the lighter stuff over here. Actually, I think also in that article it said that it would have to be like a Pilsner, a lighter beer.
Okay.
These are fairly heavy.
Okay.
But I thought for breakfast time it might be nicer to have something like a stout, and it's kind of cold
sure.
out too. But you really should have more like like a Pilsner or something lighter. Like the Leinenkugels on the very end there would probably be pretty good.
Dude, see, when I was growing up, and Brandon, you're not that much younger than I am. You're my age.
What?
You had Coors, Budweiser, Coors Light, and Bud Light. That was it. And if you were fancy, you drank Labatt's Blue.
You did?
That was it, dude. Well, you're from Wisconsin, so they probably have something else to go with the cheese up there.
Do
but
not say that. Don't ever say that again.
Aren't you from Wisconsin?
No. Damn, it's been a year.
I thought you were from Wisconsin. All this time, I thought he was from Wisconsin.
No.
I was going to say, man, he finally escaped and broke free and doesn't sound like a Wisconsinite.
San Clemente, California.
Was it your wife from Wisconsin?
My wife is from Minnesota.
Minnesota,
Don't
there
ever
you go.
accuse her of being from Wisconsin either.
that would be bad. She'll probably punch me in the face, dude.
Very little. Just take a sip.
Okay,
Oh,
so
that
what
smells
is
good.
this beer? What's the first
So
one
the first one we're
doing?
going to do is a Founders. This is a breakfast stout. It has coffee and chocolate hints to it.
Oh, Jesus, dude.
So we're going to try to pair this guy with a dark chocolate cherry almond Kate's bar. Most of these are case bars because they're kind of breakfasty. They're delicious. Here is a. I don't know what should we eat first and then the beer. I think
a little beat of the bar and then we'll have the beer. Okay.
Maybe dunk it in the beer.
You can do what you want.
You know.
I'm a dunk.
I'm
You're
dunking.
I'm a
gonna
dunker.
They're dunking.
Let's try that.
Oh hell yeah!
Brandon won't touch my finger, but he's gonna dunk.
Hey, that's pretty good.
All right, that's all right.
Yeah, that's not too bad.
Oh yeah, I'm actually pleasantly surprised by that.
Like I kept it all in my mouth at once, and it's good.
Huh.
Like, it all goes good together.
Did you? Good show.
Damn,
That's a
that's
good
all
show.
right.
All right, that gets a
That is-
pass.
Yep, that's good.
10 out
That
of
gets
10.
a total pass. Founders
Okay.
breakfast stout with a Kate's Bar dark cherry almond.
Those bars are good, anyways.
Thumbs
Jesus, those
up.
bars are good. Yep.
You probably need a.
Well, wait,
Clean
now
out.
we're gonna need clean cups, dude. You're gonna need more styrofoam cups.
Oh,
we're gonna need
man.
cups for each one, or else you'll taint the flavor. You can't do that.
You're right. All right. Edit.
Well, Brandon's gonna go get the cups. So while he's getting the cups, we can either talk a little smack about them.
Or we could get naked.
We can do both.
So, yes.
We'll
All
surprise
right.
him when he gets back. Oh man, see, Wyatt's now getting the hang of this stuff.
I am.
Now, if Kale were here, Kale would have already ran away. So
Yeah.
Oh.
But we love kale.
we do love Kale.
Just, yeah.
He just sometimes you can't joke around about
likes to
certain
run.
things.
The next one we're gonna do is a honey stinger waffle with coffee. Now,
I've actually never had a honey stinger waffle bar.
so they are
Pretty good.
interesting enough. Derived from Holland, where my family is from.
Okay.
I'm from a place called Gouda in Holland, same place that makes a cheese.
But Brandon's from California.
But my family's from Holland.
But family's from Holland.
So the honey stinger waffle is a derivative of a stroopwafel,
Okay.
which typically has much more syrupy,
Okay.
delicious goodness to it.
Okay.
But it's not bad. And typically, what we do with the stroopwafel is we put the stroopwafel on top of your coffee cup,
Okay.
so that the steam gets up in it and it gets nice and soft. That's why the stroopwafel is round.
That sounds good.
We're also learning today.
Yeah. I'm learning more than I did
Dude, I
all
was
in
gonna
school.
say, out of all the 49 episodes, this one's gonna be the most.
Most educational, yeah.
All right.
Stroopwafel,
Thank you.
stroopwafel.
Well, I'm just going to keep up with the dunk idea. Let's see how this goes.
Ooh, that's pretty good.
I'm telling
Never
you.
had one. That's pretty
Wait
good.
till you have a real one.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Oh yeah.
I like that.
Oh, that's a no-go on this beer for me. Not so much.
Let's see.
Like if I was at a party and I kept drinking one and got drunk enough to appreciate it, maybe. But this isn't the one for me. It's
I dig it.
something.
I dig it.
It's all right. I think it kind of sucks because I'm used to hot coffee with the stroopwafel.
Well, I
Yeah.
think what it is it reminds me of like almost like a cheap Guinness.
Yeah, it's almost like a flatter Guinness almost.
Yeah,
But
and I'm
I
sorry
like it though.
if you're either gonna.
All right, one or the other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's no. Okay, and so now, but this is Morning Buzz Coffee Stout. So I'm assuming this also has like kind of coffee stuff for
Yeah,
flavor and
absolutely, yeah.
everything. So, and again, these are our opinions. We're not professional beer tasters by any stretch of the imagination, but I would say that one just reminds me of like kind of flat Guinness, and it's not for me. So if I'm gonna drink a Guinness, and I'm gonna usually do it with black and tan though. So.
But try a honey stinger.
Oh,
with-
yeah, those honey
with hot
stingers are good.
coffee.
Yeah,
Yep,
yeah.
that guy's good.
All right.
All right, so we're changing things up a little bit. I got a.
Uh-huh.
So this is going to be really different. So this is a lemon
you.
coconut,
Interesting.
Lemon.
coconut, but
All
with
right.
a lemon haze.
Oh,
OG
yeah.
Lemon Haze.
OG Lemon
This is a
Haze,
hazy
so-
IPA.
You already
Trying to
know.
go lemon and lemon, see what happens.
Okay. Oh, and so kind of full disclosure here and everything. Yes, from here I am driving to the camera shop, but no, Obi-Wan, I am not drunk, and I would take a sobriety test. So
This is-
when you're watching this, going, "Gosh darn it, he knows better." It's just little sips.
You didn't have to say you were driving to the camera. You didn't have to say anything.
I know I don't have to say anything, but I feel compelled to. I want everybody to know this is an honest channel. All right, here we go.
Thank you.
So again, this is a lemon coconut Kate's Bar.
Oh.
That's a delicious Kate's bar. I've never had that one.
Ooh, I like that one.
That's my favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that might be my favorite now too.
Ooh, that's an interesting taste.
I'm still chewing.
That's the best combo yet, I think.
That's an interesting flavor.
Yeah, I like that one. That's a pass for me.
I could do that.
I don't know. Maybe the first one was a little bit better still.
No, I still the first one's still my favorite one, but this one's not bad. That's doable.
That got bitter for me.
Yeah.
Bitter beer
It
face.
made this made that taste real bitter, and I know it's not typically.
You're right. Yeah.
No go.
Interesting.
Yeah. Right
That
on.
one's
right.
all right. So that one's okay for me.
Man, so far
Dude, number one's good.
one was number one was good.
Seriously. Oh shit.
All right, so we got the the coffee buzz with the honey stinger one.
Just
I remember
okay.
this one was the OC lemon haze with the lemony bar goodness.
Next, I have a Barclays peanut butter cup porter,
Okay.
and we're gonna try a peanut butter cup porter with a peanut butter. What's it called?
Dark chocolate.
Yeah.
Kate's Bar once again, because Kate's Bar makes some damn good stuff.
Dude,
I'm
will
gonna
tell
plug
you.
them.
Yeah,
I'll plug 'em for
absolutely. I'm
sure.
gonna have links down below. The dark chocolate, cherry, and almond. This is my now, but I've tasted the lemon one. That one's really good too. But so far, this has been my absolute favorite. They've all been good, but this one's delicious.
Where do we get those from, Bees? Are those local here? Or?
We now, I believe, get that. I think we get them from Trek now.
Oh, nice. They're good, man.
But you
I'll
can
have
get
links
them.
down below.
Yep.
So this is a Barclays peanut butter cup porter.
All right.
Let's see. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, that's good.
Hot super peanut buttery.
Super. So let's see.
Actually reminds me of a peanut butter cup.
Whoa, that smells good.
That's interesting.
Definitely like the peanut is very bold in there. I like that.
That's a no-go for me.
I think I could slam one of those.
I think this is doable.
That's a no-go for me.
I think it brought out a little bit of that peanut butter hints
yeah,
on the beer.
That's good. I like it.
Oh, we all have different opinions on this.
Yeah.
I don't think I've said no to one of them yet. So it probably just means I
I
like
can't
beer.
imagine you would though.
All right, I feel like that's passable.
When I was your age, I wouldn't have said no to any of them either. So,
I felt like that was truly acceptable.
Yeah, me too.
all right, so let's get this one back.
All right, we're going the other direction here.
All right, so
this
this
is going to
one
be the lightest
is
one and the fruitiest one. This is a Leinenkugels berry.
Wine and
Weiss
Kugels.
with a. We're going to mess it up with a shot block here.
Yeah.
A mountain berry shot block.
Okay.
We'll see what happens.
This might be the ultimate combo if you're racing.
All right.
Quite possibly.
You know, get some sugar here and
I'm gonna eat this one pouring.
man, I should have drank that beer I had when I was racing Dawn of Dusk. I didn't know it was actually good for you. At least just one. And I had a Pilsner too. So it would have been perfect. I probably would have won.
And there's no saying what this guy in the article was. He might have been drunk when he made this article.
He needed something for a deadline. It sounded good. This is actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, those go just fine together.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, there's no combative essence there. It's all
Combative essence, boy.
they're not fighting together.
He
you
can.
know?
No, I know, man. But
In
he
your
can
mouth,
write
they're,
those winery reviews with that. That's definitely vernacular. Yeah, no, that's a win. I'd say
All
that's a
right.
win.
I'd say I like the first and the last the most.
Me too.
Yeah,
That's good. We started off strong. We ended off on something delicious.
Yeah.
That's actually delicious.
that's no, that's very good.
Now you guys can leave so I can finish all these beers.
Later, everyone.
Who would have known? So, no, that
Wow,
was
that's
pretty
really good. That just, yeah, that's perfect. That's like the same
good.
aromas.
Shit,
and,
man, that's good. Yeah, I'll put that down
Uh-oh.
before I freaking
I
get
think we found something here.
to
yeah.
cut. No. All right, so guys, as fun as an episode as this was, it does serve a purpose because with all the different news articles there are on health, fitness, endurance races, why your Dust to Dawn race and everything, everybody has an opinion on what can give you a boost or an edge. Some of them are actually accurate, and some of them are completely full of shit. I would go on a limb and say yes, because the carbs and everything like that, one beer could actually boost
Maybe a little bit of
performance.
alcohol just puts you in a little bit better frame
Yeah.
of mind just for a little
Kind
while
of
too.
ease the sting of the output and what you're doing, especially on an ultra endurance event. Very akin to an article I read back in 2016 where the right edible for ultra endurance athletes helped performance.
Oh, I
in
think
the
we have
right
another episode
amount.
coming.
Right. That'll just be a
I'm gonna need a
long-term
couch.
episode. Well, and that was because it allowed their bodies to go further just because of the pain factor and everything. So, and if obviously this is fun, and if you're going to do something and the social aspect of biting, sometimes we're out there for the party pace. We're out there to relax, hang out, have a beer, it's all fun and good and everything. So this was a lot of fun. I would definitely say this is easily in the top 5 episodes for this year.
Oh, for sure.
It was cool. So, all right, guys. Wait, Brandon, it's Christmas.
He's not drunk yet.
It's all right. He can be sober. We won't tell Brandon. Come on, Brandon.
We'll just end it.
It might. It's a good chance. If not, I'm gonna keep coming back, Brandon. Here's your one chance. Come on now. You said when I healed, you touched me. I'm healed.
Just so this doesn't go on into 2022.
I'm healed. Oh! Now, guys, if this is your first episode, yes, we did just touch tips, fingertips, that is.
And I had to watch.
Yeah, and wife's a witness. Right.
At least you didn't have to hold the camera.
Yeah, that's true.
That's true.
That's true.
So back in January of 2021, look at that. I tore the shit out of the front of my finger mountain biking. And Brandon was really grossed out, and that's how it all started, because I come up.
It's over now.
It's over when I say it's over, motherfucker. Okay. So it was a Christmas miracle. Now we can go to the closing. I know, Brandon, you're so happy. So.
Okay.
But I'm still around. It's his brother, his twin brother. All right. In all seriousness, guys, we appreciate you watching. If you have any questions on any of the beers or anything like that, we will have some links down there, especially the bars and everything like that. Those links probably won't be affiliate links, but we'll get to that in a second. First, the links. Trek Bicycle Store of West Phoenix down below. If you have any questions about any of the toolbox topics that you've seen, any of the bicycle showcase, follow the link, give these guys a call. They'll be more than happy to help you out. Trek, or just Copper State Bike and Hike in Estrella. It's going to be Trek's demo store. So if you're looking to demo a bike, rent a bike for the weekend, give them a call. They have a variety of road bikes, mountain bikes, just easygoing touring bikes for you guys. They also have carriers, so you don't have to worry about that. We have, look at this dude. He's freaking getting all up on it. Now he wants to get drunk because he's embarrassed about what he did. Don't be embarrassed, Brandon. Come on. There we go. Cheers. There's links to our social media. Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. You can keep up on all the daily events for Get Out Arizona if you so desire. Now, the links down below, some of those might be affiliate links, some of them might not be, but we have to disclose that. If you click on one of the affiliate links, it's going to help us out with a small commission. You will not get charged anything additional, but it does help out the channel, which is nice. Guys, if you've liked this video, if you've liked what you've seen so far this year, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps out the video and the channel as we continue to grow, and we can't be thankful enough. So, from everybody here at Get Out Arizona, and I'm sure I could safely speak for everybody at Trek as well, have a very Merry Christmas, guys. Be safe. Enjoy that time with your family as much as possible. And let's finish out this year strong. We got 7 more days till New Year. Let's keep it safe and happy, guys. Brandon, thank you so much. Wyatt, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Guys, have a great one, and we'll see you on the next episode. Oh, shit. We almost forgot. The beer's going in my head, dude. I'm buzzed. The beer's going on here. Wait,
Jesus Christ.
Dude. I'm drunk. What do we always say? Be kind to yourself and others. Don't drink beer in the morning. The amazing stewards on that trail. And we have to ask, what are you waiting for?
Get out Arizona.
There we go. No more beer in the morning, guys. We'll see you on that next adventure. All right,
Wow.
guys. Yeah, there we go, dude.
Wow.
That was close. All right, guys. We'll see you.
That was close.
That was close.